Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Tagry wireless earbuds to your MacBook Air. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have Tagry wireless earbuds. How do you actually go ahead and charge and connect it to your MacBook Air? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But what you first want to do is that you want to go ahead and open up your MacBook Air, and then you want to navigate to where it says settings, which is this button here. So underneath settings, you need to go ahead and find Bluetooth, which is this right here. And then under Bluetooth, you're going to see that it starts to find nearby devices here. So with your Tagry headphones, you want to go ahead and open it up, and that's how you turn it into Bluetooth pairing mode. So give it a couple of seconds and your Tagry headphones should appear under nearby devices. Now one thing to keep note of is that you do want to make sure that your Tagry headphones are not connected to any device right now. So with that, just give it a couple of seconds and it should appear under nearby devices as long as you keep it open. So right there we have X08, which is our Tagry headphone. So we're just going to click on connect and then wait until it connects here. So as you can see, it's now been connected and it's at 90%. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your Tagry headphones to your MacBook Air. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.